This is Scott the Fix-It Guy. Our goal with our videos is to empower you to be able to do the repairs on your own and save a whole lot of money and also get that great feeling of having fixed it by yourself. This is a simple test you can do for your front-loading washing machine to see if your rear bearing has worn out. You can grab the big plastic tub that surrounds this silver metal spin basket, and then you can grab the spin basket with your other hand and see if you can rock it back and forth. And if there's a little bit of play, like a 1/16 of an inch, that's okay. But if it's more than that and it really rocks around, it could be trouble. If you spin it and it sounds like it's clanking, that could be a sign that the spider bracket that's behind where I just pointed, one of the welds might have broken. There's usually 3 or 4 weld points. And if one of those breaks, it'll clang around really bad during spin. More commonly, though, the rear bearing right here in the middle wears out due to loading it with too much heavy things like bathroom mats, and they wear out prematurely. These should last about 10 years, but when people put in the heavy things, it wears out the rear bearing, and you get the sloppiness between the tub and the spin basket, and then it's super, super loud during the high-speed spin phase. Usually a clanging sound, or it might sound like a jet taking off. You get this banging around that occurs. So this one looks really good. It's not worn out, and the tolerances are really tight. So yeah, during high-speed spin, it would sound very loud, like a jet taking off. That would be the most telltale sign of a worn-out rear bearing. Thanks so much for watching our video. We really appreciate your support. And when you get a chance, please press the subscribe button below so you can be subscribed, and also the notification bell so we can send you more videos about appliance repair. Please also give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video. If you really liked the video and it really helped you, please press this new applaud button and you can show your support and also get a nice clapping hands for your video. Thanks again.